Switch my old status as I'm still the same as when you can't live by the picture they paint. Because they know that only inner is pain, so we must live out our lives with a sense of restraint. Which means do I live and we ain't, we are controlled by the flesh, we're depicted as swain. And pray without a quitter's complaint, and being able to.
For your service I live, for your purpose I give my life, and I lay it at the altar before you. Y'all, word up to someone's mother. That song right there is my song. What's up, everybody? This is your boy Red, host of the RH3 show. I want to get on here and announce, yes, this is the third installment, the first video of the third installment of the Be Positive series. Yes, y'all, I'm going to do another round of the Be Positive series, so please take notes. It's gonna be 10 Be Positive series this time. Last time I think it was like 4 or 5, and I stopped because my internet got cut off. But then before that, it was another set of 10. So I'm gonna do another 10. But anyway, let's get into today's Be Positive series. And this message for today is Stand in the Gap. It's entitled Stand in the Gap. And that message there can go many ways. Stand in the gap for, hold on, let me get my monitor here. Stand in the gap for, for your loved ones. Stand in the gap for a friend in need. Stand in the gap for, someone who who needs to lean on. Stand in the gap. Stand in the gap. And another thing, stand in the gap could be for, somebody who needs that mother, somebody who needs that father, somebody who needs that friend. Stand in the gap for that absent person in their lives. And, and this right here comes, from a strong place to where, many times that I had to stand in the gap for somebody, or I wanted somebody to stand in the gap and stand in my life for somebody that's missing in my place. And sometimes it helps. And sometimes, look, I need you to stand in the gap for a little bit longer, excuse me. But anyway, I hope you got some out of today's message. Stand in the gap. Stand in the gap. And be there for people who need you, and I'm all about, standing in the gap and being there for somebody who really needs me, and it's not all about me, it's not all about me. It's just, the love, it's not really me, but it's just the love that's emitting from me, the love that's, showing out, that's giving off, that is, releasing from me. So, that makes me feel good. So, like I said, stand in the gap. Stand in the gap. I hope you enjoyed today's Be Positive. I hope y'all glad that the series is coming back. I told y'all I'm doing everything to bring back and to revive the RH3 show. Please share this video, spread the word. Know that I love you for real. Continue to follow me here on YouTube each day this week, each day, every day of the week. And like I said, if you're following me from a third-party website, go up there on youtube.com/iRepaSavior. It's a red and gray button up there that says subscribe. Click that subscribe button, and you'll have all things exclusive RH3 show. And follow me on Facebook, facebook.com/the RH3 show. Tweet me, twitter.com/iRepaSavior. Not iRepaSavior, but inside Mr. RH3. Twitter.com/inside Mr. RH3, or twitter.com/RH3 show. I'm out of here. Tune in to next week. No, not next week, but the next episode of the Be Positive series. I'll be talking to you soon. Peace.